Hi folks, welcome to my video channel, Horsingabout. We're horsing about, just giving the guys a bit of a feed. They're down on the runoff at the moment. You'll find most of my videos are on trimming, various other things. Here's Big Tess. I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And with the current world situation, I wish everybody good health. Hopefully everyone can stay as healthy as these guys. What are you up to, Clancy? Everybody coming down for a trek? Hey! You guys! Come down for a trek, quickly! Come on! Come for a trek! Come back! Come on! Outside! Who wants a Jose? 30 odd degrees here today. You didn't get me tucking boots. Come on, that over there. Got some plans? Good. That's it guys, that's all the water in. That's it. Okay. Just a little bit of an introduction, a wet intro I suppose. A wet intro I suppose. Okay, sunny here. Misty bitchy. Right guys, up you go now. Let's see how you go. Come on, up. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Up. Let's go. Up. Up. on then. Up. He's the only one that doesn't like getting hosed down, but he'll stand in the water all day, won't you, my friend? Come on, right over. Go right over. Come on, right over. Oh, that's a good girl. Leg up on your back legs for me. Hup, hup for me. Hup, that's a girl. Hup, hup, that's a girl. Hup, that's a girl. You're a devil. You try it, Clance. Hup. You didn't even get wet, mate. Right over. Come on. It's gonna be a wuss.